Welcome back to Automation Tech Pro. Today we are delving into the topic which is understanding the Selenium test engine and advantages with 5 example. Before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell button with for regular dose of coding. So now let's start. Why do we need the test engine and why it is important? So we can use it for parallel execution, and the annotations are very flexible, and reporting is also very powerful with this. Okay, so now coming to the annotation. So we have a test annotation here, and I've used the test annotation here. And we also have few other annotations like after method, before method, after test, before test, data providers. So one of my videos I have explained how do we use the data provider and how do we fetch the data from the CSV file using this data provider. Please do watch my previous videos. And so if you see my project, I've created the page object model here, and how do we create the step-by-step page object model with the folder wise. So that also I've explained in my previous video. Please do follow. Okay, now let's jump into the example. So this is my class, and I have two tests here. One is with the group smoke, and one is with the group regression. And how do you create the XML file? So right click on the automation project, and click on this TestNG, and you can see this convert to TestNG. If you click on this, you will get TestNG XML file created. So now I have given updated my XML file and added this group here, and this is the group name I have given it as smoke, and this is the file that I want to run. Okay, so now I will run this file, run as TestNG. So expectation is to get only one. No, actually I'm expecting two. Let me check why it did not. Okay, yeah, so correct. So expectation is to run only uh, this test. So I was okay. Let me create one more test here with the regression example another. Okay, so now let me run it again. It actually run three. Let me see why. Okay, so I have given this. Okay, so now let me right click on this and run again. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is what I expected. I think in previous the console was overridden, I guess that's why it is showing like that. So now it is showing me the only one result. So now I'll change it as a regression. That means I have to get the two file executed, two test executed. Okay, so right click on the run as, right click on your XML file, run as, and test ng suite. If you see, I'm expecting two, and you got also two file, two test ran. That concludes the explanation of TestNG. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the button and share your thoughts and comments. Until next, happy coding. Thank you.